Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to hide address in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify app store, or you can access it through website. After logging in, you will be directed to dashboard. Go to settings. Once in settings, scroll down and go to shipping and delivery. Now, scroll down and look for packing slips. Click on it. Before editing, make sure to copy everything first and paste it in your notes. If it in case you messed up, you have a backup because this thing is quite tricky. Now, scroll down and look for line number 180. This is where you usually can find what we need. Here you will find the thank you for shopping with us note. Under it, you will find shop address that summary section that shows in your packing slip. Just select it, then delete it after, then click Save. After saving it, now go to Preview Template to check if it worked. And there you have it. That's how you hide address in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.